Dito Mandit, happy birthday. Wish ko lang more birthdays to come, more blessings, good health. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo ni Tita, ni Maymay, sa tanan-tanan. Damo gid nga salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday nung mag-60 ka lang kit anay ta.
Amo lang na yung message.
Oo, na.
Happy birthday, Lola Mandit!
Our birthday verse for you is Isaiah 46:4. Even to your old age, the Lord will be the same, and He will bear you up when you turn gray. He has made you, and He will carry you. He will sustain you and deliver you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Birthday, Lolo Mandet. God bless you. See you soon. Flinkies. Flinkies. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Lolo Carabao! Happy birthday, Lolo Carabao! Happy birthday, Lolo Carabao!
We love you.
I love you. Happy birthday, my dear Lolo. Happy birthday, my dear Lolo. Miss na gid ka mo. Nga dumay na ako. I love you, Lolo. Mama chup chup mo. Antoji, happy birthday, Tatay Mandit.
Birthday to.
Birthday to.
Happy blessed birthday po Maninoy Mandet at Maninay Sinda. Ako po'y muli nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa kanya pong biyaya na binigay niya sa inyong dalawa. At maraming pong salamat sa kalakasan at kalusugan, proteksyon araw-araw sa inyong dalawa. At naway pagpapalain pa po kayo ng puong may kapal sa araw-araw. At bigyan pa po kayo ng mahabang buhay at maraming birthday. At maraming pong salamat muli. At I pray na di po kayo magsasawa sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. Maraming pong salamat. Happy birthday.
Hello, Sir Mandit. It's your birthday again. And I am very happy to be invited on your virtual birthday today. I know sang Friday pa. And sang Friday, na birthday ikaw sa Richmond. Whoever is celebrating your birthday today, I wish you and pray for a happy birthday. So I thank the Lord for your life and service. I am happy to have known you and to work with you. So you are my colleague, not only a colleague but a true friend. I found a friend here in ISUFST. Now, you are also one of the most dedicated teachers of ISUFST. A very loving and faithful husband to your wife, a very responsible father to your only daughter, and a doting lolo to your apus. So keep up the good work, enjoy your life, and you have been blessed, and may our good Lord will continue to bless you and grant the desires of your heart. So there is a line that says, don't just count your years, but make your years count. So once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless you.
Mandet, happy birthday. I love you very much. I miss you so much.